Against the backdrop of rising political stakes and the countdown to 2027, the All Progressives Congress Southwest Zonal Congress turned Lagos into the center of a powerful show of force. At the Mobolaji Johnson Arena, party leaders, delegates and loyalists gathered in a high-profile congress that delivered one clear message: unity, continuity, and a determined march towards victory. In a dramatic but seamless consensus arrangement, incumbent National Vice Chairman for the Southwest, Dr. Isaacs Kekemeke, was returned to office alongside 7 other zonal officials unopposed. Their emergence was sealed by a resounding voice vote with 1,398 accredited delegates from Lagos, Ogun, Oyo, Osun, Ondo, and Ekiti states, throwing their weight behind the new leadership.
Our leaders and our district delegates and elders of the party, the one favor you can do to me and members of the newly elected executive is to ensure that Southwest casts the highest number of votes for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2027. Will you support us to do that? Thank you so much, Your Excellency.
We are a very sophisticated people. Southwest, if you look at what we were in the First Republic, Second Republic, and where we are now, we have demonstrated in Southwest that we are a sophisticated people. We understand what it is, and we want to go for the right thing to make Nigeria better. So, I want to appeal to my people in Southwest again that this democracy is ours. Nigeria is our only country. Let us still do it better. Make sure that our democracy continues to grow.
The atmosphere was charged with confidence as party chieftains rallied around a common goal to strengthen the APC's grip on the Southwest and deliver what they described as a landslide victory for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in the 2027 general elections. Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu praised the peaceful conduct of the Congress, calling on the newly returned leadership to build an even stronger political structure capable of sustaining the party's dominance across the region.
Ogun State and of course Lagos State, we appreciate all of you. You have been extremely patient since 9 o'clock when you started accreditation. You have shown that you are indeed faithful, loyal party men and women. You have shown that this is how we do it in Southwest. You have shown that this is the example, the A-grade example that we need to emulate in other parts of the country. I want to acknowledge all of our umpires. You have seen that this is the southwestern region of the All Progressive Congress. The best, the most formidable, the most forward-looking region in the country. We say this with our full chest. We say this because we have demonstrated it here this afternoon.
The Congress also drew an impressive array of political heavyweights, including Ogun State Governor Dapo Abiodun, Ekiti State Governor Biodun Oyebanji, as well as senators and members of the state houses of assembly.
Where there is no unity, we won't talk of consensus. And if you look at the time frame, we need to embrace, solidify, consolidate what we have achieved. And that is why we push it. Where it is possible to have consensus, so be it. Where they didn't agree, they go into the full power race. And from all indications, the leadership and membership of our party key into the idea of consensus, and it has really worked well for our party to continue to move forward.
For the APC in the Southwest, this was more than a routine Congress. It was a bold affirmation of loyalty, a strategic consolidation of power, and an early signal that the battle for 2027 has already begun. Love Oyedokun, reporting for Cable News 24.